yourself. A merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas.
What's up, Mafia family? It's your girl Z, baby. As y'all know, it's day 2 of Vlogmas. Alright, y'all, so today is dedicated to my son, Mr. Draco. Another day in the Mafia household.
Off of me, bro. Ow!
Draco. Draco, you on treat? Draco, you on treat? Draco, pound it. Pound it. Good job, my son. Pound it again. Good job.
Hey, you like it, huh? Huh? Alright, Mafia gang, we are currently at PetSmart with our child. Say hey, Draco.
Say hey, Papa. You ready to go bye-bye?
Alright, y'all, so we're gonna go to PetSmart and we're gonna get a whole bunch of Christmas themed stuff for our son because tis the season to be jolly, and we need our son in the spirit as well. Isn't that right?
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
All right, dude.
It's thinking here. Where are we going?
Ooh.
Come on, Pop. What you want? You go.
We gotta get you a
You sniff. Where are we going? You tell Mom. You don't like none of that stuff? Gook. Damn, they only got a medium here. Extra large.
You like that too, baby? You think that's gonna fit him?
Yeah, it's extra large.
Extra large? Alright, bet. What size is this?
Wait, we gotta try though.
This is large. You think so? We gotta try it on him. You have a dog fitting room.
So I got my Papa this. I think he looks so freaking cute in this. Oh my god, that's so freaking cute. Okay, these two. He loves this aisle. Look at him. You pick something, Papa. You get something good. What you like? Nothing? There's nothing on the floor. What do you like on the shelves? You want another beer? Like, there's nothing Christmas themed, y'all.
I don't see nothing like. Oh.
What is that? Deck the halls of choose. Oh, maybe we could do this.
What?
This is dog edition. Deck the halls with cookies. Okay. What's up? You don't gotta get just that. They got different ones.
Which one? Oh, I see.
Show him.
Look, pal.
Ta-da!
Alright, come on.
Oh, what I'll do for them tree. Oh, that's what it look. Oh, okay. So his front legs. Okay, so I guess it's just all about his legs. Because it's supposed to look like that. Front legs covered. Pepperoni. Peanut butter. Yes. Here, baby.
Drink them off here.
Alright, I'm just gonna get him that and then this one?
Yeah. What you think about this?
You need a bear because you like cuddling. Oh, you like that? Oh, so give me that fish, Dad. Give me that fish. Give me that fish. You like it?
You want it?
Oh. Is it a go?
Grab it.
You grab it and we go.
Come on.
Grab it, Pa. Ooh. Oh, it's a go, y'all. Is it a go, Pa?
Well, come on, dude. We're going to the front, dude. You got your toy. We gotta go. We gotta wait.
Sit. Oh, I know you lying. Pick up your toy.
Get your toy.
Ah. Yeah, get it.
Hold it.
Sit.
I ain't.
Thank you.
Sit.
Oh my
Good.
goodness, you such a good boy. Dab it up.
Give me a pop.
Yeah. Alright, y'all. Our haul is done. Papa. How was it? Was it good? Was it good?
Dude, thank you. Welcome.
Goodness.
You're welcome. All right, Mafia family, we are officially back at the house. And as you can see, our son is ready to open his toys already that we got for him. So we gonna give him a few tries of everything that we got him, and then we're gonna let him be the judge. So we'll see y'all. Let's do this.
Do it. Come on. Good job.
You gonna give me a piece, dude?
He said, dude, let it go. Give me that. Give me. Give me, cookie. Give me. Oh my goodness. All right, y'all, so we actually also got, these aren't cookies, these are actual bones. So we're gonna use that for cage time, although he's ready for it. We are going to start his deck with house.
All right, let's see what you got. You're only getting one out of here, dude. See that? You know who that is? Reindeer. It actually smells so good. It smells like cinnamon.
He said, dude, you're gonna give it to me or not?
Dude, give me a ball, dude. I love you, dude.
So I'll give you
Yeah,
whatever you want.
good.
Just give me that cookie.
Oh,
Give me that
good.
cookie.
All right. Bruh. Ow! Put your pajamas on.
Wow. Give mama a dab. Drake.
Draco.
Cookie, dab. Yeah! Give daddy dab.
Give me that.
Yeah!
Let go, please. Let go, please. Can you let go? I need it. I need it. Thank you. Let go! Let go! Let go! Draco! You're making this hard!
Wow!
Wow, you're so handsome!
Yeah! Dab. No, right here. Yeah!
All right. Next fit.
Wow! Look at the papa!
You see?
Holy crap! You look good, dude. Oh! I don't think he liked the hoodie part. Oh my god! Oh my god! You look so cute.
So handsome.
Good boy. Oh, I don't think he liked that. Oh. God. Dad. Thank you.
Good boy.
Y'all, that wraps up day 2 of Vlogmas.
Y'all, when I tell y'all, your boy tired, I'm tired.
Yeah, we're tired. Our dog's tired. You see, you don't hear him. You don't see him. Out of sight, out of mind. We're done. But y'all, thank you so much for tapping in with us. Day 2 of Vlogmas. Please look forward to day 3. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, follow, and stay tuned in.
See y'all. Weezy out of here. Mafia out.
Family.